Hey folks, my name is Swapnil and today we are in Life Core Fitness Hadapsar. I guess this is the second branch of their gym and I have been working out here from past 4 to 5 months and I thought let's create a kind of review video of this gym. So first thing I'd like to say the staff at gym is very good, they're helpful in nature and the facility is really spacious. So as you can see, the area where I'm standing in is kind of an entrance wherein you can come out, sit, change your clothes or shoes and all. Now let's get into the gym and we'll see, okay? So this is the entrance of gym. You can see biometric system is there and I'll give you a quick review of the things which are available or the equipments available in the gym. So to my left you can see this is a hack squat and as you go ahead, there is a leg press machine, there is a leg extension machine. On my right you can see there is a lat pull down, there is a dips machine. Dips machine of this gym is one of my favorites, and then you can see there is a pressure row. Along with that there is a calf raising equipment as well. And now let's go to this is a kind of free walkway area and you can see swing machine over here. I really like this equipment as well. Along with that you can see there are some fly equipments for your ropes. And now if you look over here, there are free weights. I guess there are around free weights of 150 or 200 kgs in the gym. There is a bar stack. You can see the various bar of 15 kgs, 10 kgs, zigzag bar, easy bar, whatever you call, for biceps or deadlift, anything. And if you come over here, the free weight section, the dumbbells are over there. Only one thing I find missing is that in the gym, there is a bump up in the higher weights. From 30 you can directly go to 35 kgs. There is not 32.5 kgs or something like that. So I feel that is kind of missing over here. But other than that, yes, the dumbbells are not so good for you. Okay, those are rubber plated, and I feel sometimes even 20 kgs dumbbell can be 17.5 or something like that. So guys, this is a ladies training section. I have got a special permission to come in and have a quick video of this. You can see there are free few weights as well as ladies changing room over there. Now let's come out, and I guess this is the kind of equipment section which I like the most. On my right you can see this is a lateral raise machine which is rare to find in the good gyms or in a remote location. And then there is this is a leg curl, seated leg curl machine. After dips, I'll say this is one of my most loved machines. The engagement, muscle mind engagement or the connection with what I feel in hamstring is very good in this. And after that, you can see there is a seated leg press. Probably you can go with this, but the range of motion in this equipment is kind of minimum or optimized. On the back side, you can see this is kind of an equipment machine for triceps. I have used hardly this, but one can go ahead and use that. And after that, this is a pec fly machine or pec deck machine. Really good one. One very important thing which I found in this video, so the weight stack, you can see it is open from both ends. So if you want to progress, for example, you are at 20 kgs and you want to go to 22.5 or something, you can get 1.5 kgs plate or 2.5 kgs plate and stuck in over here. So this open help you to progress in case of training. And now let's go to other equipment. You have already seen the lat pull down, which was around 5 bar or something. Another lat pull down. As compared to that, I like this machine more. And when we come over there, seated chest press. Okay, probably I should say this is my top priority equipment in this gym. The kind of pump and the push you can do in this machine is next level and insane. Now they have mentioned this as a seated shoulder press. I'm doubtful about that. But okay, there is a shoulder press machine as well as, and if you want to perform compound movements as well, so there are equipments for the same. There is a bench press with 15 kgs bar over there, and you can add on the weights. Along with that, on my this side, you can see squats rack, kind of a stand, not so much sturdy because if you put 100 or 120 kgs, there are chances that it will move away here and there. If you come to the this is a machine for crunches. You can do weighted crunches with that. I have done that and I do not really feel so much core engagement or my abs being engaged over there, right? And this is a seated rowing machine, really a good one. You can do unilateral, bilateral movement over as well. Now this is a quick last equipment you can see in the gym. This is for the forearm and wrist movements. I hardly use it because I feel my forearms already dominating my arm section, so I do not use it. Another thing you can see over here is a rope, climbing rope, which you can use very well. I'll try sometime and quickly we'll come back side since there is a closing time option. Can you show outside? Sorry guys, I missed one part of the video was that cardio facility as well, which is spacious. You can find 3 to 4 treadmills, elliptical cycles for that, and there is a water jar available there to drink water. And this is a kind of open area wherein you can do your warm-up stretches, and as well as I guess in the morning and evening few batches are conducted over here, so you can come here and attend the batches as well. Okay, so yeah, this was a missing part and cool. Okay, so if you see outside, that is a section wherein you will find battle ropes. There is also hanging leg raise equipment along with that. Some calisthenics movement also can be performed. So there is a walkway which you can use very well. So overall, there is also facility of steam bath and etc. On rating, I'll say gym is very good out of 10. I'll rate kind of 7 or something because few of the equipments can be brought up. For example, a platform for deadlift and etc. can be improved in that case. But otherwise, the facility is spacious. Faculty over there who are working with floor trainer etc. are very helping. So you can anytime search this on Google Maps and you can see Lifeco Fitness Hadapsar in Sasani. Do visit, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Thank you.